Welcome back to our DC Circuit Lab. In today's lab, we will be exploring the fascinating world of photocouplers. Specifically, we will be working with the PC817 IC and creating an exciting circuit on our trusty breadboard. So, let's dive right in. To begin, we will need a few components. Grab your PC817 IC, a push button, a 63 ohm resistor, an LED, a 33 ohm resistor, a Type 130 motor, a power supply set to 3.3 volts, and another power supply set to 5 volts. And there you have it! Our circuit is complete. Now, let's see it in action. As you can see, when the push button is pressed, the LED lights up, indicating that power is flowing through the photocoupler's diode. Simultaneously, the motor kicks on, showing that the signal from the photocoupler is driving the transistor and activating the motor. This demonstration showcases the incredible capabilities of photocouplers, which allow us to electrically isolate different parts of a circuit while still transmitting signals. And that concludes our lab on photocouplers. We hope you enjoyed exploring this fascinating component with us. Stay curious and keep experimenting.